A fish swims in the water, doesn't it? Have you ever wondered how a fish swims in the water?
A fish swims in water with the help of its fins.
Yes. A fish has fins to swim in the water. Similarly, the body of the fish is slim and its front part is pointed.
Slim body and pointed front part of fish also make it easier to swim in water.
Students, how do you breathe? You breathe in through your nose, don't you? Do you know how a fish breathes?
A fish breathes through their gills.
Yes, a fish has gills on the back of its head. A fish breathes through these gills. Gills take the oxygen dissolved in water and throw out carbon dioxide produced in the body. Like a fish, a shark also has gills to breathe.
But water animals like a dolphin and a whale do not have gills to breathe. Like us, they also breathe through their lungs.
Some animals can live both on land and in the water. You must have seen a frog. A frog can live both on land and in the water. But it does not have fins like the fish to swim. Have you ever wondered how a frog swims in the water?
A frog swims in water with the help of its webbed feet. The frog breathes through its moist skin in the water. But it breathes through its lungs on the land.
Animals like a newt and a salamander also live both on the land and in the water. They also breathe through their moist skins in the water. And they breathe through their lungs on the land.
Now, look at this tadpole. A tadpole is a baby frog. It can live only in the water.
Unlike a frog, a tadpole cannot breathe through its skin. It has gills to breathe like a fish. Students, you all know that a duck is a bird. A duck is seen around a water pond.
It also swims in the water.
The bird that lives on or around water ponds is called a water bird. So, a duck is a water bird.
Like a duck, birds like a swan, a heron, and an egret are also water birds.
A frog swims in the water with the help of its webbed feet, doesn't it? Like a frog, a duck also has webbed feet. It also swims with the help of its webbed feet.
A swan also has webbed feet. It also swims with the help of its webbed feet.
Now look at the feet of this heron. They are not webbed like a duck. The legs of a heron are long and thin. Likewise, the neck of a heron is also very long. Long legs help the heron to walk in the water, and its long neck helps it to catch the fish in the water.
An egret also has long and thin feet. It walks in water with the help of these feet. It also has a long neck. With the help of its long neck, it catches the fish inside the water.
So, animals living in different habitats have different adaptive features. Let us recall them. Land animals like a tiger, a lion, a zebra, and a horse have strong legs to walk and to run on the land. Mountain region animals like a yak and a mountain goat have thick fur on their bodies to protect themselves from the cold. A camel that lives in the desert has less hairy skin. It has a large padded feet to walk on sand.
Land animals like a grasshopper, a polar bear, mountain bear, and a chameleon have body color that is similar to the surrounding they live in. This helps them to camouflage and escape from their enemies.
Birds fly in the air with the help of their wings. They have hollow bones and air sacs in their bodies. This makes their body light, and hence it becomes easier to fly. A monkey has a long tail and clawed hands to help it to swing on the branches of the tree. A lizard has adhesive pads to stick on the wall.
Water animals like a fish and a shark have gills to breathe. But a dolphin and a whale have lungs to breathe. Animals like a frog, a toad, a salamander, and a newt breathe through their skin in the water. But they breathe through their lungs on land. A frog and a toad have webbed feet to swim in the water.
Waterbirds like a duck and a swan also have webbed feet to swim in the water. But waterbirds like a heron and an egret have long and thin legs to walk on water.